Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by proving identity and opening the account security settings. This is essential so you can change authentication. Once done, confirm you have your recovery email, phone number, and any backup codes at hand. Now navigate to the multi-factor authentication or two-step verification section and choose the option to manage or reset devices. Make sure to note any active authenticators listed so you can remove or replace them. You now remove the old authenticator entry to prevent lockout, selecting Remove or Unlink for that device. Next, install an Authenticator app on your new phone and open it. Choose to add an account. Once the site shows a QR code or setup key, scan or type it into the app and generate the first verification code. After entering that code to confirm, copy the provided backup codes to a secure location for future recovery. You should test the change immediately by signing out and signing in using the new Authenticator code to confirm everything works. Once verified, update trusted devices, enable any push notifications, and revoke sessions tied to the old device to secure your account. If you encounter problems, try using a backup recovery code or alternate verification method. If that fails, contact account support and be ready to prove identity with the documents you prepared earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.